Welcome to the Friday Value video. And I have a topic that I want to cover or at least present to you truly from the depths of my heart. I've been working on my second book, Aging Culprits, and there is a theme that I'm lacing through the book when we cover all of these very important topics, things like osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, cardiovascular disease, a loss of balance and stability, risk of falls and going to a nursing home, losing strength, losing function, losing independence, even things like urine leaking when we don't want it to leak. There's a lot of topics in that book that really impact the quality of your life. And the overarching theme is there is no magic pill. And it doesn't mean that you can't achieve success. It doesn't mean that you can't regain strength, balance, stability, no need for disposable underwear, maintain your independence no matter how long you live. Doesn't mean you can't achieve all of that. It just means there's no magic pill. There's no snake oil out there that's going to help you to do that. There are a lot of products and gimmicks and things that people will want to sell. The bottom line is, the truth is, you need to do the work. You need to make the changes. If you've been sitting on your backside for 30 years, nobody has a magic pill. Nobody's hands can be doing things to your body that's going to enable you to restore your strength, to regain loss of core stability. It's going to require you to get up and do the work. The same thing with how you're nourishing your body. If you have serious chronic joint pain and things like that, what you're putting in your mouth can radically impact those symptoms, that pain, that issue that you're experiencing. But nobody else can make you change what you're putting on your fork and what you're putting in your mouth. Only you can change your life. There is no magic pill. So, yes, there are lots of fabulous strategies out there, lots of methods and concepts that you can apply in your life that can make a radical difference in your future. But there's no magic pill. I hope this helps you, doesn't depress you, but actually enlightens you, empowers you, equips you with a mindset that you are now ready to go and do the work. I get emails all the time. And I get emails from people who are struggling, in pain, having a lot of issues. But when they start doing the work, they are so surprised and joyful that they are achieving success. They are seeing less pain. I just had an email today from someone who said she can now lift her leg up without pain to get into her husband's SUV. That's progress. That's success. But she didn't use a magic pill to do that. She started doing the work she needs to do. And the work doesn't have to be painful. That's the best part. That no pain, no gain thing is not accurate most of the time. So I hope this helps you. I hope this serves you. Really wanted to speak from my heart. So many people are looking for some magic pill, some quick, get fit quick kind of a scheme. Oh, work out for 90 seconds a day and have a flat belly, all of these crazy things, these titles that we see. It's not true. It doesn't take as long as we might think. It doesn't mean we can't achieve it, but we do have to do the work. I hope that helps. And I'll see you next week.